Bald eagle. The bald eagle can see up to 5 times farther than a human. Imagine spotting a fish from hundreds of feet in the air. Emperor penguin. Male emperor penguins babysit the eggs by balancing them on their feet for 2 whole months. Scarlet macaw. Scarlet macaws can mimic human speech and some can live up to 75 years. Mute swan. Mute swans may look quiet, but they can hiss and grunt when protecting their nest. Rock pigeon. Rock pigeons can recognize themselves in a mirror just like dolphins and great apes. Indian peafowl. Only male peacocks have the flashy tail feathers. They use them to impress females. Flamingo. Flamingos are pink because of the shrimp and algae they eat, rich in natural pigments. Barn owl. Barn owls can hunt in total darkness using only their super hearing. African gray parrot. African gray parrots are genius-level mimics. Some even understand words and context.